Hi, this is my review of the Campbell Hausfeld Professional 2900 PSI electric cold water pressure washer, which I purchased almost 2.5 years ago on December 27th, 2013. Why the review now? After almost 2.5 years, because I wanted to make sure that this pressure washer was going to stand the test of time. I use the pressure washer in my detail shop at least 2 times a day, sometimes 3 or 4 times a day. And we use it Monday through Friday, and we use it hard, and it stood the test of time. And now I want you to understand that this is a pressure washer that you would want to purchase if you are in need of a pressure washer that's going to stand up to whatever it is that you're using it for. I actually purchased the pressure washer from Pressure Washers Direct, which is located in Bolingbrook, Illinois, and you can actually order it online from pressurewashersdirect.com.
I hope now that the vehicle is all washed and prepped to be detailed, we're going to go ahead and rinse it off. So, that's the Campbell Hausfeld, however you pronounce it, 2900 PSI, 2.5 GPM pressure washer, electric pressure washer. This is actually the 4th pressure washer that I've owned in the nearly 8 years that I've been detailing. The first 3, obviously I'm not using them anymore. They were busts. The first one, it died after 1 year. As soon as that 1-year warranty hit, the machine just fell apart. The next 2 pressure washers I used were gas pressure washers that eventually died. I've actually owned this Campbell for about 2 years, and I haven't been wanting to do this review because I wanted to make sure that it would last, and it has. We use it at least 2 or 3 times a day, 5 days a week, so we get our use out of it, and we put it to the test, and it's withstood the test of time. So if you're interested in an electric pressure washer that's going to actually do you good and serve its purpose, this is one that you should look at.